Hi, I am Dr. Vasant Khisti and I represent SAMI Consulting from India. This topic is on role of Internet of Things in improving the global competitiveness for the forging industry. Forging is a process in which metal is bashed between a pair of dies, and it's a very heat intensive and energy intensive process. This slide explains what is IoT. IoT is short for Internet of Things. The Internet of Things refers to the ever-growing network of physical objects that feature an IP address for Internet connectivity. The communication that occurs between these objects and other Internet-enabled devices and systems is defined as IoT, that is Internet of Things. Forging is a very high labor intensive and energy intensive process. It is very important that in order to be globally competitive, all kind of waste from the processes have to be eliminated. This can be done by taking real-time decisions on the shop floor or in the engineering function, and IoT has a big role to play. Mechanics of IoT, we in other words call it the architecture of IoT. It has device sensors like billet temperature, cut weight temperature, die temperature sensors, or body movement sensors, or any other kind of activity sensors. And these informations are collected by these sensors, and through the gateway and internet and router it is sent to the cloud, and the cloud will then pass on the message or the signal to the front end client, which would be a mobile or a PC or a control on a machine panel, and then the actions are taken by the equipment itself, or it can be taken by human intervention. So Internet of Things allows you to take real time corrective actions on the shop floor. Architecture of IoT. A sensor is a transducer whose purpose is to sniff a wide variety of information, generate output as the electrical signal, and these are called nodes also. And IoT gateway acts as a bridge between these IoT objects and the internet. Gateway can connect to the IoT devices that communicate via specific protocols. Hardware and software level encryption is built right into the gateway to provide a secure channel for communication. The communication flow can also be in reverse manner when user manufacturer want to actuate any object. User manufacturer will give some input in form of SMS, push, email, etc. and that information is forwarded to the internet through the cloud. The cloud then processes the information, identifies the particular object through the IP address, and pushes the information through the communication protocols to the gateway. The gateway will trigger the actuator that will be responsible for controlling and moving the system or the object. Cloud computing is the only platform to support the massive and unpredictable data. Cloud will empower IoT by providing elastic computing power, storage, and networking. The massive data generated from IoT can be analyzed in the cloud with big data solutions. These patterns are then analyzed and if found relevant, then accordingly the information is sent to the user to control and monitor their devices. So let's talk about some practical examples from the forging industry. Here we do a flashless forging, and you can see a component being made flashless without any scrap. So in order to do flashless forging, you have to control the diameter of the pancake that we use. These dimensions are measured by sensors in real time, and information is given to the table of the machine, and the table of the machine will move accordingly up and down with this information. This real-time information can be shared with the cutting machine also, which can calibrate itself. In this example, you can see that the sensors are measuring the volume of the die and the weight of the forging, and this information is given in real time to the cutting machine in order to calibrate itself and cut the blanks as per the volume required of the forging die. So in such a case, what happens is the average weight of the forging goes down, and this gives at least 2 to 3% saving on the cut weight of the component. This one is an example of maintenance of equipment. As per TPM, if we have decided to change the filter in 500 hours for this compressor, after 500 hours the sensor will give information through SMS through some other media to the maintenance manager, and the maintenance manager remotely can give instruction to stop the machine or order the filters or give instruction to change the filters of the machine, and the machine manufacturer can also keep a record of the same. This one is the example of online inspection of a variable that is called thickness, and you are measuring the hot component with a pistol caliper, and the information is sent to the cloud where the data can be processed into SPC charts, and these charts can be used by the customers, by the designers, by the quality inspectors in order to come to certain decisions and also maintain the traceability of the process, and this is a very useful tool. This one is the example of control of temperature in the dies. The temperature of the dies defines the life of the die and also the quality of the product. So the sensor can measure real-time temperature of the dies and give information to the coolant tank and to the sprayer, and the sprayer can then fix the amount and volume and density of the lubrication that will be sprayed on the die in order to control the temperature and keep it uniform. The press deflection also plays a major part in the variable that is the thickness of the component, and you can use load cell strain gauges on the columns of the presses to measure the deflection that is taking place in the press, and this data can be shared with the press manufacturer, the designer, and the simulation software designer, who can take real-time data and calibrate their simulation software for a particular equipment. Wastages in forging industry. The actual operating efficiency of any forge would be 50%, and these are because of lot of time wastages, because of longer die setup times, die corrective actions, breakdown maintenance, time and delays in inspection, tool management and tool life, and development times, spares management, and line balancing of the machines also. And these real-time corrective actions can really reduce and improve the operating efficiency. Real-time variable control. There are various variables which ultimately control the quality of the forging, like cut weight, forging temperature, die temperature, lubrication, machine energy, ejection speed, operator skills, die wears, etc. And there are various sensors that can be used to pass on information to the cloud, and then manual intervention or automatic correction can take place, and the cloud can analyze this data and help take long-term corrective actions. There are four major revolutions in industrialization. First is mechanization, second was mass production, third was computer and automation, fourth is cyber physical systems, which we call IoT. And Industry 4 is evolving as a standard or a norm in order to bring consistency in the usage of IoT. There are several software and hardware participants in this IoT revolution, and Industry 4 can help bring standardization among the participants. Industry 4, or the fourth industrial revolution, is a collective term embracing a number of contemporary automation, data exchange, and manufacturing technologies. Industry 4 facilitates the vision and execution of a smart factory. The term Industry 4 originates from a project in the high-tech strategy of the German government, which promotes the computerization of manufacturing. It is evolving as a standard which can be evaluated, validated, and implemented throughout the organization. There are four design principles in Industry 4. One is the ability of machine, device, sensor, and people to connect and communicate with each other. Second, the ability of information system to create a virtual copy of the physical world by enriching digital plant models with sensor data. Third is the technical assistance in order to take autonomous decision or decisions based on human intervention. Fourth is decentralized decision, that is the ability of cyber physical systems to make decisions on their own and to perform their tasks as autonomous as possible. There are several challenges like IT security issues, reliability and stability, need to maintain the integrity of production process, need to avoid any IT snags, need to protect industrial know-how, lack of adequate skill sets, threat of redundancy of the corporate IT department, general reluctance to change by stakeholders. So these challenges have to be countered over a period of time for it to evolve as the only. So finally, to summarize, the Indian forging industry needs to be competitive. Manufacturing costs have to be reduced, wastages of all kind has to be eliminated, real-time corrective actions are required, scientific and analytical approach is required. IoT can play a major part in reducing wastages by automatic corrective actions, data management and analysis, integrating all the partners in real time. Thank you very much.